Broadcasting for the Sports Channel.
Alrighty, well, happy Friday. We had a really good Friday coming into today. Nice good $366 Green Day on Thinkorswim and a lot more on the other accounts, over $500 today. Be sure to listen up so you can profit too. So be sure to join me on Weenie Trades Live. I posted lots of good trades here in the Discord chat that all played out really well, besides one of them that I took. But we said SQ over 185, Uber over 43, plug, CGC over 2250, no stop needed, LOL. Just buy more if it drops. I rarely ever say that, which means I think the setup's pretty good. But let's get into the trades. Most of our profits came from SQ, and SQ was probably about $300, $350 today. Our first trade of the day was on SPCE, and boy, was this a dud. We said to go long just over $20 a share and stop beneath $19.75. Well, we went long right there. And in 2 minutes, we caught a 4% drop. And in 2 minutes, I had to stop out just beneath the 1975, right about there. And SPCE was an annoying expense trade to start the day of minus $47. Our next and best trade of the day was on Square, SQ. And as you know, SQ is actually my favorite stock in the market. I'm definitely going to be trading it to the long side when it beats revenue and sales by $1 billion. So SQ, nice good gap up. And we actually had a pull down, so we had a chance to buy. We had shares that we were able to catch after hours, and just 4 shares, boom, $125. That's insane, and we've been peeling off profits. The SQ, we said to go long over 185, but I even anticipated it. I went long at 184 and was looking to add over 185. So this was posted pre-market before I even take the trade. So SQ, nice good pull down in the morning. Then we got this nice good controlled sell-off on lower volume. That tells me that there's nobody willing to really sell Square. So what I did is I went ahead and got long on Square just over 184, 184.50 I believe was my fill, with a stop just beneath, I think it was 182, stop beneath 182. Got this nice good extended green bar, and I wanted to add over 185. I was too slow. My order couldn't even go in, and I had to take profit order sitting at 187 in just 2 minutes. SQ filled that take profit order, and that was for a solid revenue trade of $106. So risking about $50 to make $100, same day contract. Later, SQ did a bull pullback, and then we started to break out, and I was like, oh no, I'm missing SQ. I was fiddling to get a same day vertical spread. I'm buying the 190, selling the 192.50, and then boom, we got this nice push up, and on this back test, I was able to get filled. And boom, we got this nice good push up all day. And once we broke out to the high of the day and then pulled back in, I went ahead and went flat and sold my vertical spread for plus $80. So that's where the profits come from SQ. Massive mover, monstrous trade. Our next trade of the day was on CGC, and we posted in the Discord chat to go long at 22.50. No stop needed, just keep adding if it dips. And CGC, Canopy growth, got a nice good pull down, push up, sideways consolidation, which means bull flag. So I went ahead and got long on CGC just at about 22.60. Could have just went long at 22.50. Then we got this nice good push up, and as we broke the initial morning high, I added to CGC. And then we got this nice good push up, and right to $23 a share, I went ahead and took off a partial half right there at 23. So in at 22.60, out at 23. I still have one contract, and I put in a break-even stop, and I was tagged out for break-even. I'm kind of glad I still did that because CGC sold off. But then later in the day, CGC had this monstrous uptrend all day. And if I just would have stuck to my plan, not having a stop at all and just add more if it dips, boom, this is an explosive move. CGC's up 17% on the day. From the entry, boom, 10%. So CGC, explosive move. We did swing some shares as we said we would. So shares plus $40, but net on the day trading plus $17. So plus 22, and then that stop out, the break even stop with slippage, minus $5. So a super good explosive day. Half a grand a day is definitely enough to live off of trading. That's for sure. And moving forward, let's talk about the SPY. The SPY, this up move is having some dust to it, which means we're probably going to continue upward. I don't think we'll pop all-time highs as soon as you might think. It might take a few more weeks or days. But any pullback is meant to be bought. As long as we're above 338, I'm an aggressive buyer and investor of stocks. It's go time now for the market. None of this sideways crap. Yes, there are always still risks ahead. The market likes to climb the wall of worry, though. So any dips, certainly I'll be loading the boat at 338 on the SPY. Watch out for the breakout if we start closing hourly or daily above 355. Then we might just pop those all-time highs. But that's the less likely scenario. We are super extended. There's going to be some profit taking when just last week we are all the way down at 322.50. The market has moved up 9.2% in 1 week. That is insane. So be careful. Try to buy those pullbacks. If you want to buy a breakout, go for it. Just make sure you manage your risk. Alrighty, have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.